Now this is algebraic function that can be solved with the help of chain rule. Just putting this entire is equals to y, so easy down the calculations. What we can do is just we can take this 4 root above, so this will become 1 by 4 over here. So how we have done in the previous questions also, let u is equals to this internal, I am keeping out to equal to u, so this is log 3x minus 1. So if we take the derivative, this is du upon dx. So here derivative of log 3x minus 1 will be 1 upon 3x minus 1 into d upon dx of 3x minus 1, because this is the log's derivative. Now internal derivative we will also take. So taking its further derivative, this left portion is 3x minus 1. Above derivative will be individually taken, so it will be 3. So our answer here comes out to be 3 divided by 3x minus 1. So this is first part of the questions we have solved. Now taking the other side, if this has been kept as u, so what is our y? Y is u's power 1 by 4. This was entire u, so its power 1 by 4. Now take the derivative dy upon du. So 1 by 4 will come forward, u, and 1 by 4 minus 1, it will be minus 3 by 4. So if we want to write it in a proper way, it can be written below. So 4u power 3 by 4, or we can keep it above also depending upon how you want to solve it. Now applying the chain rule. So the formula for chain rule is dy upon dx, that is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. So dy upon du is this 1 upon 4 u's power minus 3 by 4, and du upon dx we calculated 3 divided by 3x minus 1. Now we can just put the value of u and we can show the final answer is equals to 1 upon 4 u, what we have assumed is log 3x minus 1, and its power will be minus 3 by 4 into 3 divided by 3x minus 1. So finally we can write this 3 log 3x minus 1. This entire power is minus 3 by 4, divided by 4 is also there, and in the bracket 3x minus 1. So like this we can write down our answer. Now this is another question that we can solve with the help of chain rule. First step same, putting it the function is equals to y, and if we have to apply the chain rule, let u is equals to this entire we can put like is equals to u. So if this is u, then the derivative of du upon dx will be, as there is minus sign, so we can take individual derivative. X derivative is 1 minus derivative of 1 plus x square in the under root, it will be 1 upon 2 under root 1 plus x square, and derivative of 1 plus x square. I hope you all understand this now. The derivative of under root, it means power is half. So half has come in the front and it will be left with 1 plus x square power minus half. So because of that minus half, I have brought it below, and that has become under root 1 plus x square, and this is the internal derivative. So solving this further, it will be 1 upon 2 under root 1 plus x square. Again the derivative of 1 will be 0 plus x square's derivative will be 2x. So ultimately what we will get is this 2 can be cancelled, so it will be 1 minus x divided by under root 1 plus x square. And if we want to take the LCM, we can take the LCM also here. 1 plus x square under root, that will be the LCM, and above also it will come 1 plus x square in the under root minus x. So this is our du upon dx. Coming to the second part of the question, if this is du upon dx, now we have to put what is y. So what is y? Y was this, but here we have put u, so our y is log u in fact. So if we have to take the derivative, that is dy upon du, so log u's derivative is 1 upon u. So if we want to put the value, what is u? U is x minus under root 1 plus x square. So this is dy upon du. Now we can go ahead with the chain rule. The formula of chain rule you have already seen. So dy upon dx only we have to calculate, and here we require dy upon du multiplied by du upon dx. Now let us put the values. What is dy upon du? This was, so is equals to 1 divided by x minus under root 1 plus x square. Correct? Du upon dx, this was our du upon dx. So this is root 1 plus x square minus x divided by root 1 plus x square. So now if you observe here, so these two are same, only this x has to come in the front and the signs will go opposite. So ultimately, if we can say, if I just make this little opposite, so I can delete these two. So what we will do is dy upon dx is equals to 1 upon x minus 1 plus root x square, the same I have written, into, if I want to make this x plus, because below is x plus and this portion is negative, so I will just take the negative sign out and it will become x minus 1 plus x square divided by root 1 plus x square. Below is same. So now we can, because multiplication is there, we can delete it, but it will be minus 1 above. So our answer is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square in the under root. Now in this question you have been given x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 and entire power is 4. So if we want to solve this question with the help of chain rule, this is our y, and we can put, let u is equals to x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So this is our u, and if we want to take the derivative, that is du upon dx. Now how the derivative is taken, now I hope you all can understand, this is a division problem. So here quotient rule will be applied to solve it. So our quotient rule was v is the square. This is in the form of u upon v. So v square is x plus 2 whole square, v x plus 2, derivative of u, that is x minus 2 minus u x minus 2 and a derivative of x plus 2. So we will solve this further. So below it will be same, x plus 2 square, this is going to be same, x plus 2, derivative of x minus 2 will be 1. So it won't make any difference, multiplying this by 1 it will be x plus 2 minus x minus 2 will be at its own place, and here also x plus 2 derivative will be equal to 1. So this also won't make any difference. Now solving it further, it will be x plus 2 minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 whole square. X will be deleted, so our answer for the first part will be 4 divided by x plus 2 whole square. So du upon dx we have calculated. Coming to the second part of the question, so if this is our y, here we can say that our y was equal to u's power 4. This entire was u, so u's power 4. So derivative if we take, it is 4u power 3. So if we put the value in the u was x minus 2 divided by x plus 2, it will be u's cube, right? So now moving ahead with the chain rule. Now finally we will just calculate our answer with the help of chain rule. Dy upon dx, the formula is dy, this was dy upon du. So formula for calculating the derivative of y with respect to x in the chain rule is dy upon du multiplied by du upon dx. Just fill the values whatever we have calculated. Dy upon du is 4, x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 cube multiplied by du upon dx This we calculated. So just final answer can be written in a more meaningful way. 4 4s are 16. X minus 2's power is 3 above, and below x plus 2's power 3 and x plus 2's power 2. So bases are same, so powers can be added. It will be 5. So this will become the answer.